Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Environmental Science Week 8, Assignment 8. So the first question is in surface water body classification given by CPCB for drinking water source without conventional treatment but after disinfection class A BOD5 shall be. So these are the option and the answer of our first question is C, less than equal to mg per liter. Now the second question is saturation concentration of oxygen in pure water is dash at 0 degrees Celsius and 0 milligram per liter. Salinity at 1 atmospheric pressure. So these are the option and the answer of our second question is also C, 24.6 milligram per liter. Now the third question is what is the process used to describe the excessive growth of phytoplankton in water bodies due to high nutrient content. So these are the option and the answer of our third question is A, eutrophication. Now the fourth question is wastewater has an ultimate carbonaceous BOD of 750 milligram per liter and a reaction rate K equal to 0.16 day. What is the value of BOD remaining after 5 days? So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is C. Now, the fifth question is according to the revised National Green Tribunal Order 2018 for sewage discharge standards, what is the allowable pH value for mega and metropolitan cities? So, these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is A, 5.5 range 9.0. Now, the sixth question is select the correct order regarding the water treatment process chronologically. So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is C, screening, aeration, sedimentation, filtration, disinfection. Now the seventh question is for the Streeter Phelps model for the DO concentration in a flowing water body. If the DO defect is given as 4.6 mg per liter and DO saturation is given as 10 mg per liter, determine the DO concentration in mg per liter. So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is A. Now the eighth question is the total dissolved solids of a water sample is 650 milligram per liter, 0.65 milligram per centimeter. Being the conversion factor, determine the conductivity of the given sample. So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is A. Now the ninth question is a river with a flow rate of 2000 cubics has a BOD of 20 milligram liter and receives wastewater discharge from two opposite sides. One wastewater discharge has a flow rate of 15 cubics and a BOD value of 350 milligram per liter. The other wastewater discharge has a flow rate of 40 cubics and a BOD value of 250 milligram per liter. The DO levels in the river upstream of the wastewater discharge is 4 milligram per liter and wastewaters have 0 to calculate the BOD and DO levels downstream of the two discharge. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is A. Now the 10th question is the measure of the capacity of water to neutralize acids is called. So these are the option hardness, acidity, alkalinity, carbonate hardness. So the answer of our 10th question is C. Now the 11th question is a flowing water body has a velocity of 1.2 meter per second. If the critical time for minimum DO is found to be 3.6 days, what is the distance downstream where the DO concentration is minimum? So these are the option and the answer of our 11th question is C, 373.248 kilometer. Now the 12th question is for a wastewater sample, initial DO was found to be 15 mg per liter and final DO to be 6 mg per liter. Dilution of the sample was done to 3%. Determine the BOD of the given sample. So these are the option 200 milligram per liter, 9 milligram per liter, 700 milligram per liter, 300 milligram per liter. So the answer of our 12th question is D, 300 milligram per liter. Now the 13th question is ICOD slash BOD ratio of an organic pollutant indicates. So these are the option low biodegradability of the pollutant, high biodegradability of the pollutant, cannot comment on the biodegradability, low turbidity. So the answer of our 13th question is A. low biodegradability of the pollutant. Now the 14th question is, for a wastewater given total Gel nitrogen as 16 milligram per liter. Determine the nitrogenous biochemical oxygen demand NBOD of the sample. So these are the option: 100 milligram per liter, 60 milligram per liter, 274.2 milligram per liter, 250 milligram per liter. So the answer of our 14th question is B, 60 milligram per liter. Now the 15th question is, for a water sample, if the concentrations of carbonate and bicarbonate ions are greater than total hardness, then so these are the options: carbonate hardness is greater than total hardness, non-carbonate hardness is greater than 1, total hardness equal to non-carbonate hardness, total hardness equal to carbonate hardness. So the answer of our 15th question is D, total hardness equal to carbonate hardness. Now, the 16th question is, Winkler's method is used to determine which of the following parameters. So these are the option BOD, DO, turbidity, color. So the answer of our 16th question is B, DO. Now the 17th question is, given the quality rating QI percentile for various water quality variables in the water sample, BOD 70, DO 80, turbidity 46, total solids 96, nitrates 18, corresponding weight factor WIR BOD 0.11, DO 0.17, turbidity 0.08, total solids 0.07, nitrates 0.1. Determine the water quality index for the sample. So these are the options: 75.35, 100, 63.21, 70. So the answer of our 17th question is A, 75.35. Now the 18th question is, for a river with a single point source discharge of wastewater and a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, the DO deficit immediately downstream of the discharge is 9 milligram per liter. Ultimate BOD at the same point is 21 milligram per liter. DO saturation is 10 milligram per liter. Reaeration rate constant KO equal to 0.35 per day. Deoxygenation rate constant KD equal to 0.57 per day. Determine the time and distance from discharge at which DO concentration is minimum. Assume the river velocity is 20 km per hour. So these are the option, and the answer of our 18th question is A. Now the 19th question is, calculate the ionic strength of solution containing 1 mole sodium chloride and 0.2 mole calcium chloride. So these are the option, and the answer of our 19th question is C, 1.6. Now the 20th question is, a water sample contains 45 milligram per liter of calcium and 2 positive ions and 25 milligram per liter of magnesium 2 plus ions. Calculate the total hardness in milligram per liter as CaCO3. So these are the option, and the answer of our 20th question is B. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.